Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to PubG with Facebook. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log into your PubG mobile account with Facebook, then the process is quite simple. First, tap open your game launcher and open up PubG mobile application. Open up your PubG mobile application, and when you reach to this page, you'll be able to see several options you could log in with. Tap on the login with Facebook option in the middle and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account as well in this particular device. Tap on your Facebook account or simply log into your Facebook account. Enter your Facebook account's credential in the text boxes and tap login button. Once you do that, you'll be able to log into your PubG mobile account with Facebook. Now wait until the game loads, which will only take a few minutes, and that's how you can easily log into PubG with your Facebook account. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.